guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to do some things a little bit differently. We are going to review this speaker here, JBL Partybox 100. And most people, before they buy something, they like to know what is the performance, is it good, is it bad, what is the sound quality of things, in this case speaker, that I will or will not buy in future. So today I'm going to give you a little bit more information about this speaker and my opinion, if it's good or not. So the first thing that I have to mention is this speaker is pretty heavy. It's one of the biggest speakers JBL has. Of course, if we don't talk about the Partybox 300 and Partybox 1000. But if we take, for example, a JBL boombox and JBL Partybox, of course it is a little bit bigger. It is also cheaper as the boombox. There are some things different than the boombox, but we are not going to talk about boombox. We have here a Partybox 100. So, and we want to know what's the sound like. What are some of the features here for this speaker? So, as I already mentioned, it's heavy, it's big, but there are some good things. At the back of this speaker, we have some inputs. We have microphone input and we have guitar input. And also, if you have some playlists or your favorite music on your USB flash drive, there is a port that you can stick it in and listen your favorite music from your flash drive. Also, let's talk about a little bit about the battery life. So normally battery holds up to 12 hours. Of course, it depends on how loud you play the music, what kind of bass level you use, because there are three types of bass. There are no bass, there are a little bit bass, and there are pretty much bass. So that's how I explain bass things. But yeah, so it depends on how you use your speaker. When you're running low on battery, you can plug it in with the cable or just use it with the cable. Also, the thing that I saw is that the speaker plays more loudly and with more bass power if it is plugged in. So if you do not have to go to the beach party where you have no electricity, you can always plug it in and have the best quality music around. Also, one small thing, not important, but I like it very much, you can change colors. We have here some lights, and also you can change them, and depending on the rhythm of music, the lights play with the rhythm of the music. So that's a small feature, nothing important. It doesn't affect the sound quality, but it's something a little bit more fun. In case the sound is not enough for you, you can always link your second JBL Partybox 100 via Bluetooth together, and you can have a real stereo sound effect. The speaker is actually really good. I had already one small party, 50 people in a small place. More than one speaker I didn't even need. It was good enough with this one. The cost of this speaker is around about 300 euros or 300 US dollars. So now we talked about a little bit about this speaker. Now we want to know how this speaker sounds. was the sound test. Of course, live thing is so much better than you can hear maybe on your headphones, but if you can, before you buy, go to your local shop and ask them to try it out. I don't know, for example, here where we bought this speaker, we could test it. So I was absolutely sure what I buy and why I buy it, because I already tested it and I liked it. So if the sound test was okay for you, you can always think about it. Maybe it's worth it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video and leave a comment if you already have this one or you would like to have this one. Tell me more about it. Something you know, something that I don't know.